central Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sweetwater Creek State Park, or 7 miles east of Douglasville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
This is still on the watch.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I'm leaving these two on.
Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, East Point, Austell, Lithia Springs, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Six Flags Over Georgia, Cascade Heights, Campbellton, Sandtown, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Please be a doubleheader.
Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted its normal weather programming. We will resume normal broadcasting once the threat has passed. At weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. At 3 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly sunny. 90 degrees.